Here is a way you can make your own Compassion Quilt panel. With the fabric you have chosen, cut a piece that's 10 inches by 10 inches. Now to the fun part, the designing. So how I decided to decorate mine was using iron-on prints. You can also use fabric paint, permanent ink pens, permanent markers, stencils, collages, photos. Make sure that you lay your design out so you know exactly where you want things to be. Make sure to leave a 1/4 inch bleed line on your design. Now that I have everything placed where I want it, I'm going to start ironing on my design. And here's my design. I decided to do Life is Beautiful because this pandemic has reminded me how much I appreciate my life and those around me, the ones I love, and to treasure every moment that I have with them because life truly is beautiful.